The grant has been really good for us because it has enabled us to plan more thoroughly what we're going to do in the upcoming years. We've been able to have some extra funding that we wouldn't have been able to apply for just because of our capacity, and it's actually given us hope. It's kind of reminded us what we used to do when we had a full set of 6 staff. Now we can see where we can aim for, what we can achieve again, and how we can best serve our communities. So we can plan for activities for young people and plan for a wider range of arts activities in the town. We have just been able to keep the museum open, Timescape Rhayader, and we can see how we can provide an all-weather tourist venue for people who come to the area. We've been really fortunate because we've been able to have a member of staff on the desk. We have been able to open all the hours that we wanted to open. Ideally, we'd like to have opened longer, but we've noticed that our audiences have hugely increased over the length of the project, and we've had such positive feedback. When you first come out of a really long project, when you've just done 3 years of work, you are actually quite tired and you don't know what you've done. But the feedback has been really energising, positive, and people from all over the world actually have come in. I don't say that they've come to see us specifically, but their feedback has been amazing. And we've had far more local people in than we would have done. And I think one of the best things for us is that we've been able to restart our Dragon Festival, which involved something like 35 different organisations in town, and we haven't been able to do that since before lockdown. So I think it's been a really successful scheme for us. It's been a short scheme. I think if I had to say anything, it's been difficult because it's been so short term. But even in that short term, it has enabled us to plan for the future, to look forward and to understand and to test what we need to do. Being volunteer managers and putting together Timescape Rhayader has been extremely stressful, and to be able to have staff who can take on some of the work that we've had to do and expand on it and run with it and do it well has been a joy. I mean, it's made it more possible. It's made it feel possible for us to carry on and to make sure that the area has this resource. So it's been a very positive experience.